Hi everyone! Today's lesson is very simple. We are learning the difference between anybody and anyone. Good news! They mean the same thing, but there are a few small differences that you should know. Let's make it super easy. Part 1. The good news. Same meaning. Anybody equals anyone. They both mean any person, someone, or a person. Both are used in questions and negative sentences. Examples. Is anybody home? Is anyone home? Same meaning. I don't know anybody here. I don't know anyone here. Same meaning. There is no difference in meaning. Part 2. When do we use anybody? Anybody is a little bit more informal, more common in daily conversation. Example, did anybody call me? One more example, I didn't see anybody at the park. And is anybody hungry? Americans use anybody often in casual speech, friendly talk, or daily life. Part 3. When do we use anyone? Anyone sounds a little bit more formal or polite. Examples. Did anyone send the email? If anyone has any questions, please ask. Has anyone seen my keys? Americans use anyone more in formal situations at work, school, formal speaking, or writing. But remember, mainly they are almost equal and correct everywhere. Part 4. Same grammar. Both of them follow the same rules. Questions. Does anybody know her? Does anyone know her? Negatives. I didn't talk to anybody. I didn't talk to anyone. Positives that are not very common but still can be used. Anybody can join. Anyone can join. Part 5. Common mistakes. Wrong. I know anybody here. Correct. I don't know anybody here. Wrong. Anybody is here. Correct. Is anybody here? Wrong. Anyone didn't help me. Correct. Nobody helped me. Or another variant, no one helped me. Part 6. Mini quiz. Choose anybody or anyone, or maybe both. Please write in comments the following thing. Write one sentence with anybody and one sentence with anyone. I love everybody. Does anybody love me? Thanks for watching Top Lingo. Don't forget to love, like, subscribe, and comment for more easy English lessons. See you next time.